The stock market can be a very dangerous place if you're following a fake, if you're learning from a fake, and because of this bull market, there are lots of fakes. In this video, I'm going to talk about it and tell you how to expose a fake. Pay attention. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the little alert notification bell so that you get alerted when I have new lessons that are going to change your life. What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader, here with a very important lesson because, we've been in this now decade plus long bull market and there are just fakes and newbies galore. And a lot of people say, Tim, don't worry about anybody else. But unfortunately, I get more messages sent to me every day, probably than anybody else in the entire trading industry. And I take great pride in that. I want to try to help people. I'm not a perfect trader. I'm not the best trader, but I try my best, and all of my rules, all of my lessons, all of my patterns are real. I teach based on personal experience. I wouldn't say, oh, here's a pattern that I've never traded before. The patterns that I teach you, I've been trading and refining for 20 plus years. So while I'm not perfect, while I'm not the best, you can take comfort in the fact that I am real. And it's in my own best interest to make you as successful as possible. My education business only blew up when I had 2 millionaire students. Now I have 5, and more are making 6 figures. In fact, I'm going to post a link underneath this video for my millionaire challenge. That's where all of my top students come from. Do not apply if you're not serious, if you're not dedicated. I'm just throwing that out there right now. If you truly do want to become my next millionaire student, you're going to have to work for it. I can teach you rules and patterns and lessons and nuances that will only help you, but at the same time, you have to put in the hours studying what I show you. And this is the problem, because a lot of the newbies and a lot of the fakes in my industry, they don't give warnings like that. They just say, oh, you don't need to study the past. That's what dinosaurs do. Like, I have a lot of non-students who say, like, why do you have 6,000 plus video lessons? This is a lot of work. Just give me hot stock picks. And I'm like, well, I've actually created millionaires. I know what it takes. My newest millionaire student watched all my videos 3 times. All of my video lessons, by the way, all 6,500 of them now, are categorized only because Mark Crook, who has now made over $1.5 million, took the time to watch all of my video lessons 3 times, and he categorized them. I haven't even categorized them. I'm a little overwhelmed. And I'm going to be real with you. The fakes don't have a big video lesson library because, frankly, they would be exposed with their lack of knowledge. I'll talk all day. You can ask me a question on anything with the stock market. And in the past 20 plus years, I've experienced highs, lows, big wins, big losses, mistakes, bull markets, bear markets, different sectors, different stocks. I'm very comfortable talking about my 20 plus years of experience because, again, I never had a teacher. I never had a mentor. So I try to be the mentor to you that, frankly, I never had. The fakes, start asking them questions. That's rule number 1 when trying to expose a fake. And by the way, it's not just fakes in the stock market. There's fakes everywhere. I'm wearing my charity brand's newest environmentally friendly collection. This is made out of plastic, water bottles, and recycled materials. I'm going to include a link if you want to grab some. It's for saving the coral reef, saving marine life. We donate 100% of the profits to charity. And there's a lot of fakes in the charity world too. There's a lot of brands that have merch and stuff, but they donate like 1%, 2%, maximum 10 or 20% to charity. And so they're really creating these BS feel-good companies like, oh yeah, we support the oceans, but they're taking like 80 or 90 or 95% profits. I actually do run a 501c3 nonprofit, the Karmagawa Foundation. It used to be the Timothy Sykes Foundation. I felt weird with all the schools and all the buildings with my name on it. That's just me. Now we have a community. We're growing very fast. But it's funny because I'm in penny stocks and charity, 2 of the most sketchy industries I've ever heard about. And I keep hearing about fakes in both of them. And I'm not here to rip on any one fake or get in like legal trouble. I just want you to be aware. So rule number 1, ask tons of questions. If someone ever shuts you down and says like enough questions, they're hiding something. I will often tell a non-student enough questions, join my challenge, FYI, okay? Some of you are saying, well, you say that too. But I say I'll answer them in my webinars, in my Q&A, because that's what I do. That's where I structure my lessons. Okay, so you have to learn to follow instructions. But some people, they have no Q&A, they have no live webinars. They will never answer your questions because they don't have the knowledge to answer them. Number two, I show you all of my trades over 20 plus years, okay? Every single one, good and bad. Some are audited, some are just verified, some are just posted in real time, but I show you everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, and the in-between. I've never made $1 million in trading in any one year. My best year, contrary to what some liars say, they say, oh, Sykes only made money in 99 and 2000. Actually, my best year was 2014. I made a little over $800,000. In year 2000, I made a little over $700,000. But if you can make six figures every year like I do, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, it adds up. And now I trade with a small account and donate all of the profits to charity. That's right, I donate 100% because I want you to understand I'm not in this like most chat rooms that are fake where the guru or the leader buys the stock, everyone else chases the alert, and the guru sells within seconds and locks in 10, 20, 30%. Look how easy that is. I made 30% in 7 seconds after everybody in the chat room bought it. And then the stock drops and the guru makes money and everyone else doesn't. This is why I'm so proud that I have millionaire students, because I'm teaching patterns and I'm teaching them never to follow me, never to follow anybody. All of my top students are self-sufficient, whether they've made $1 million or at 500,000 or 200,000. They know the patterns, they know the rules, they know how to plan a trade on their own. The only reason why I alert in real time is so that you can learn my mindset in real time. I've done non-alerted trades and I make a video lesson and people don't like it. They learn after the fact. It's not the same kind of thing. It actually discourages them from learning. I've tried it, I've tested it, so I alert in real time. But I also post like a whole paragraph when I buy a stock or short a stock and with my rationale, with my goals, with my risk, versus other chat rooms where they just say, buy this ticker, because they want people to follow them. This is another thing. I don't want you ever to follow. I don't want you to be, putting your blind trust or your hard-earned money in anybody else. I don't think that you should have anybody else managing your money. I want you to be self-sufficient and do it all yourself, because that way, if things go great, you feel amazing. If things go bad, you feel crappy, but at least you personally can learn from it. If you give your money to somebody else, if you follow somebody else's alerts, you have no idea what went right, what went wrong, and you're frankly, beholden to those other people. I don't want you to think about anybody else. This is all about you and your own knowledge. That's why I say you have two accounts, one trading account, one knowledge account. You have to grow your knowledge account enough so that it spills over and gets into your trading account. You cannot grow your trading account with very little knowledge. You need a lot of knowledge. You need to over-prepare. That is what I want for you. Never forget, 90% of traders lose. It's crazy how few people want to talk about the ugly stats, the ugly reality of our industry. I say if E-Trade had an accurate baby dancing on screen, it would be a bloody baby. It would be bloodied, battered, like black and blue. It wouldn't even be safe to be shown on TV. It would be all blurred out. It would be a mess. That's the reality of this industry. This is a battlefield. There's another thing. I'm not always necessarily going to be nice. I'm more of a drill sergeant because I want to teach you the actual rules. I want you to survive in this battle. If you just are nice to people, I know that there are a lot of fake gurus who are nice to people and they think, oh, they're so nice, Sykes, why can't you be like that? You'd have more students. I don't want more students. I'm already overwhelmed as it is. I lost my mind years ago. It's not getting any better, okay? I want quality over quantity. I will gladly weed out people who critique my grammar or think that this is about, being polite. I don't want that, okay? I want you to want to learn and to survive this battlefield that is trading. Long story short, you can do this, but at the same time, you need to be very careful. If someone does not answer all your questions, if someone does not show you a multi-year or multi-decade track record, and not just, I'm not talking about like end of month, end of year statements or one like overall profit. I want to see how much money was used. I want to see the risks taken. I want to see the percentage gains. A lot of people are trading with $5, $10 million accounts and they're making $10,000 in a day. And everyone's like, ooh, I want to make $10,000 in a day. Then you try to do that with your small ass account. It's not going to work. So you have to ask a lot of questions. Be cynical. Okay? Part of the reason why my education business is booming so much is just because I'm real and I'm blunt about everything. That's been key to my success as a trader and teacher. Leave some comments below. I have a lot more to teach you. Click the link below if you want to get into my Millionaire Challenge and you're ready to be, taught by a drill sergeant. If you want a friend, buy a dog. That's not me.